In this video, I'm going to show you the smartest way to build your email list no matter which industry you're in, and it doesn't cost you a lot of time once it's initially set up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want to become a better affiliate marketer, you can do so by using both the blogs and the YouTube videos. That's what actually I do for my affiliate business. And this is the channel where I show you how to make money online, do a product review on different products out there, which can help you with your business. Without further ado, our video starts right now. Let's go. My name is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. A lot of us are using Facebook to generate sales and lead for our business. And today in this video, I'm going to be focused on how you can use a Facebook group as a tool growing your email list without any hassle of asking someone's email address.
It's another bright idea.
So sit back and watch this video till the end. Let me show you how this is done. I'm going to show you step-by-step method, how to set up this Chrome extension, and how you can extract the email when someone joins your Facebook group. Don't forget to watch this video till the end, and you don't want to miss any of the steps. Building an email list from a Facebook group can be a time-consuming and a difficult task.
Difficult, very difficult.
What if there's a way you can do this on Autopilot? Just set it once and let this Chrome extension do all the work for you.
You interested? Interested?
Yeah, there's a Chrome extension called Group Magnet. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set it up and how you can build an email list from your Facebook group on Autopilot. Watch the video till the end and you don't want to miss this out. Alright, so first thing I want to tell you is where exactly you can go and get this Chrome extension. I'll drop the link in the description. It's my own website called Organic Marketing Toolkit. All you gotta do is there's a $1 trial, so you can actually start for $1 for 14 days, and if you like it, you can start paying a monthly subscription before making a commitment. The basic is only for people who wants to grow their network on their Facebook, on their personal profile, how to add and remove people who are engaged with your post and all that. Now, I did do a video on it. I'll drop the link, and it should be up here also. The second one is where you can get access to the Group Magnet. $1 trial, and it's $47 per month after that. You get access to the 5 Chrome extension, and I'll be dropping more videos on the feed engager and the feed filter. Another reason why you should subscribe to my channel. So after taking this $1 trial, then what you get is you get an email from me from the support at Organic Marketing Tool. So do look at in your email folder. Once that's done, what you gotta do is install that Chrome extension on your desktop and set it up initially. So let me show you how. First of all is go into my dashboard. I'll install this Group Magnet Chrome extension right in front of you so you know exactly what to do. So once you get the login and password, once you log in, you'll get a dashboard like this. Depending on how many Chrome extension you initially started from, just look for your Group Magnet. Just click on the download. So once the download is finished, all you gotta do is you gotta go right here, the 3 dots, click on it, go to more tools, just click on the extension right here. It will go into your extension, and the first thing you gotta do is make sure this is on developer mode. If not, just toggle it on the developer mode, and then what you can do is unzip the zip file and save it in the folder. So I'll unzip it, and then you go to and click on this, and right here you will have Group Magnet right here, and make sure this is on. So once that is done, the next step is you got to go and install this initially to get this up and running. After you install the Chrome extension, what you want to do first is let's go right here, click on it, and look for Group Magnet right here. And what you can do is just select pin and now you have the group magnet right here, right? So it's easy to look for it. Then what you're gonna do is click on there, and since I'm already logged in, but first time when you go in there is they will gonna ask you for the user and a password. Then you want to head over to your Facebook group. For this example, I have a Facebook called the Paid Traffic Strategies that I use it. What you gotta do is you gotta go to the members request. One more thing, make sure you also have in the membership questions for anybody who wants to join your Facebook group, and just ask a couple of questions, and one of them should be, please enter your best email to receive whatever thing that you want to give them, ebook or something else. Make sure you have that as one of the required questions and ask them to submit the email. Otherwise you're not going to be building your email list. That's the whole point. Anyways, let's go back to the member request, and I have first person, this person, but he doesn't answer any of the question. Then the second person I have, they already have email right here. I have the email. So first thing you're gonna be doing is you're gonna have this, and you need to enter the URL to Google Sheet. So let's go ahead and get this and get the blank, and you just want to name it. I suggest you name it to, which if you have running more than one group or whatever the name of the group you want to attach it to, just put that name in right here. So it's done, and then now what you need to do is grab the shared link right here, click on it, copy the shared link. So anybody on the internet with this link can view, so just copy that and go to here and paste it. And then it's just gonna even if you have it there, don't worry, just go to advanced setting, go to group magnet. It's just a new software, so the Google still hasn't verified, but believe me, it is good. So just follow the instruction and it'll be all good. Now then what you want to do is approve it. In this case, well, why don't we approve this person, because this person has put in the email, right? So let's go into our group sheet right here, so you have it, and there's his email. Everything is here, right? Now what you want to do is push to the spreadsheet, so it will go into your spreadsheet, the one that you had the URL. So push it there. Please select the group. Successfully pushed to cloud. Now let's go here, and let's right here we have it. Here's the email. So that's the first step. The second step is you can automatically put it into your email responder. Now for that to do it, you need to use Zapier. Alright, so what you need to do is create a Zap, and it'll be Google Sheet. Choose event. Event will be, well, there's a new spreadsheet row. So let's look at the right, this new row. When that is added to the bottom of the spreadsheet, this is when it's Zapier starts. So continue, choose an account. You can just Google Sheet this one. We continue, set up a trigger. So you need to choose the value. First we're going to search is the group test sheet. So that's the sheet name of the group that we did. So we do that, and then it will refresh the sheet. What you need to do is here we just move this down, and right here we can have, this is the email, right? So we have email, right? And this is the name of the person, and that's what we needed, right? So let's go back, continue, right? And then test your trigger. So this is the name, and this is the email address, right? So we continue, and then whichever autoresponder you want to send to. Since this is the affiliate one, I always recommend Aweber. Choose event, create a new subscriber, you continue with that. You need to sign into your Aweber account and give authorization to the Zapier. So this is the right here is the name, right here is the email. Where is it? Right here. And then the name, we look at the name right here, and okay, this is the account right here. My mistake. So this is the account that I have with Aweber. See, I'm learning as we go along, and then you put that, and then this will work. Yes, successfully. So turn on the Zapier, and with that said, then all you gotta do is once a while go into your group and approve the people who have actually put it in their email list, and just with one click of the button, the Zapier will grab all the, it will go to the Google Sheet, and from there Zapier will grab it. New number rows are added, Zapier will grab it and then send it to Aweber with the list, and that's how you can create the list. Once you created a list, you can then create the email and the follow-up email and start doing the email marketing to the people. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this, and let me know in the comment, was that an eye-opener how to do the create email list on Autopilot from the Facebook groups. So why don't I summarize it once and for all. First thing is you get the Chrome extension, which is called Group Magnet. Second is you set it up, Group Magnet, into your extension and extract it. Next is you open the Group Magnet and log into the dashboard with the username and password when you start the trial. After that is you go into your Facebook group, and if you haven't created one, create one Facebook group and make sure have them answer a few questions, and one of them should be to enter their email address. Once they've done that, they're waiting for approval. So this is where you come in. You go in there, approve the person, and from there you need to click push to the spreadsheet. Once it's pushed to the spreadsheet, that's where you set it up Zapier, so that the Zapier will take any new data that's added to the spreadsheet. It will transfer that data to your Aweber. Well, I use Aweber because of affiliate marketing. They're more good for affiliate marketing email. Do that. From there, you connect with the list in your Aweber, and then select whichever values you want from your spreadsheet. In this case, I use the name and the email address. That's what I needed, right? So do that. From there, you can, I didn't go in detail, but from there you can start doing the email camping and have it all set on automation. Once you have all set it up, any new person will go into the automation, and you can start doing the email marketing for them.
All right, all right, all right.
Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified for all the new videos that do come in. In the meantime, do watch my videos on other Chrome extensions that will help you with the Facebook marketing, adding Facebook friends automatically, or for that matter, deleting inactive Facebook friends who are not interacting with your posts. Those two videos, I already did it. I'll put the link in the description. I hope you watch those videos. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye now.